Hi everyone. Today let's make a paper shirt and pant. First let's make the paper shirt. For that we only need a piece of paper. Fold it like this in the two sides. After folding, make sure that both sides have the same length. Next, fold the top part like this. Then fold the bottom part like this. Next, open the bottom part. Then just make a small fold like this. Then again fold it in the back part. Make a small cut here on the two top edges. Make sure the collar fits over here. After fixing the collar, fold it in a small triangle piece on two sides, middle. Now we have finished making the shirt. Next, take a rectangular piece of paper and let's start making the pants. Now fold it like this. Next, fold one edge to the other edge. Next, if you want to make a trouser, just fold it this much. If you want to make a pant, fold it this much. Now I'm making a pant. After folding like this, move the other edge over here, then fold that one like this. Make sure there's a small gap in between. Now take a stapler, staple it over here. Now take a scissors, cut this much. And now we got a perfect size pant. And check, is it matching with the width of your dress. Now it is. And now let's trim off the edges. Now cut it like this. Now we have made our paper pants. Next, take your paper dress, cut a small hole which is matching in the width of your paper pant. If it's not, cut in the correct width of your paper pant. After cutting, just open the inside part with your finger and just insert your paper pant. Now we have finished making our dress. Next, you can decorate it with some of your sketch pens, crayons, or anything. Now let's start. Okay, now we have finished decorating. Now these are the examples which I made. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.